Mr. Lipscomb, there are two parts to your lawsuit. You and the defendant have a child together. I assume that that's you?
Yes, ma'am.
And the child's primary custodian is his mother.
Correct.
And has been with his mother for how many years?
All of his life.
And how old is he now?
19.
But you are an involved dad. According to what I've read, there was a time when your son was in some difficulty with the law, and as part of the resolution of that case, he was ordered to make restitution.
Yes.
That's the first part of your lawsuit. And he had a period of time to make that restitution. Well, there came a time when he was in high school that he had an opportunity to play what kind of ball?
Football.
And that football opportunity came in another jurisdiction, another
Yes.
state. And in order for the probation department in the state where you live, which is which state?
Illinois.
To let him move out of state, you were advised that he would have to completely pay off his restitution before they would consent to that move. You fully paid that restitution, and you claimed that there was an agreement with his mother for her to pay half.
Yes.
And that's the first part of your lawsuit. So
Yeah.
let's deal with that first. How much was his restitution?
15, 90, 40.
And how many years did he have to pay the restitution?
Over 4 years since the beginning.
And when was the order made?
I guess it was made in the beginning of the case back when he was 14 years old. I'm not sure the accurate date.
When he was 14.
Yes.
And he had 4 years to pay off the restitution. Is that correct?
Yes.
So that would have been the responsibility of both of you to pay that off anyway, because he's a minor.
Correct.
Who was the restitution to be paid to?
The county of DuPage.
Well, but ultimately it was to go to a victim. Is that right?
Correct.
Was it a car case? Was it a burglary case? What was it?
Multiple cases, bicycle theft.
But it was going towards the victims.
Correct.
Okay. So you understand, Ms. Johnson, that you were legally required, and I assume from the time he was 14 up until the time when he was 17 or so, had you been paying this piece of the restitution?
No, ma'am.
Well, who had been?
It hadn't been paid at all.
But it had to be paid by the time he was 18.
Correct.
Well, how did you intend to pay his half?
We're going to make payments as well as I was able to possibly make payments.
Well, then, why don't you think you're responsible, even if you didn't have an agreement? Mr. Lipscomb says you had an agreement. You said you would pay for half, but you had a legal obligation to pay.
I never told him that I would not pay him. I was not financially able to pay him at the time.
Oh, well, that's a different story. Then we have a different set of circumstances. So you acknowledge you owe minimally for half
Of Kendall's restitution.
of his restitution.
Correct.
See how easy that was?
Yes.
Right? Now let's get to the second part of your lawsuit, which is slightly more contentious, and that is that you overpaid child support.
Yes.
How that happened is really not relevant, because I think Ms. Johnson acknowledges that after a full audit, it was brought to her attention that you had, in fact, overpaid in your child support obligation. Would that be correct, Ms. Johnson?
Yes.